Welcome to a quick Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on turning the limited ad tracking feature on your iPhone on or off. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. The limited ad tracking setting on iPhone tries to prevent third-party advertisers from being able to track you when you spend time online. Here is how you can turn that setting on or off. Start by opening the Settings app. In the Settings app, scroll down and open Privacy. In the Privacy settings, scroll down and open Advertising from the very bottom. The Limit Ad Tracking is on here. Enable it if you want to opt out of ads targeting your interests. You may still receive the same number of ads, but the ads may be less relevant to you. You can turn this setting off if you don't want it. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more iOS tips and tricks.